श्री राग महला पंजमा मैं पाई मनाई सोई जियो सतगुर पुरख मिलाया तिस जीवड़ वरना कोई जियो रहाओ। I beseech the true Guru for his blessings by falling at his feet, and the true Guru has united me with the God, the primal being. There is no other greater than the Guru. Pause. Gosai Mihinda Ithra Am Abbe Thavo Mithra पैन पाई सब सजना तुद जेहा नाही कोई जियो। The God of this universe is my sweet beloved. He is sweeter than my mother or my father. Among all the sisters, brothers and friends, there is no one like him. तेरे हुक्मे सावण आया मैं सत का हल जो आया नाव बीचण लगा आस कर हर बोहल बख्श जमाई जियो। By your command, the month of Sawan monsoon season has come like a lovable period of my life. I'm trying to cultivate truthful living in the company of holy saints. I've hooked up the plough of truth and I plant the seed of Naam in hopes that the Vaheguru in his generosity will bestow a rich crop of your kindly light and mercy. हाँ गुर मिल एक पछाड़दा दुया कागल चित न जानदा हर एक तय कार्य लायुन जियो पावे तिवे निभाहे जियो। After meeting with the Guru, I am able to realize the one and only, and in my consciousness, I do not recognize anyone else. The Vaheguru has assigned one task to me as it pleases him, and I perform it in accordance with his will. तुसी भोग्यो पुंजो पाइयो गुरदी बाण खवाए पहनायो हो हुआ माहिर पिंड दाल बन आदे पंज सरीक जियो। O brother, enjoy this blissful life in the Guru's court. He has blessed me with the robe of honor and he has enabled me to gain mastery over the 5 vices like ego, lust and anger, and in gaining control of my body and soul. हों आया सामे तिहंडिया पंज किरसाण मुझेरे मिहंडिया कन कोई काठ न हंगई नानक उठा कुग गिराओ जियो। I have surrendered myself fully to you and have come to your sanctuary. The 5 vices of lust, anger, avarice, ego, and worldly love have been overpowered by me with your grace. Now none of these 5 vices could show their ugly head against me. O Nanak, my village is prosperous now and I am able to lead a peaceful and blissful life. Homwari kumma jamda ik sah tud tyainda ujad the ho vasayo ho tud vitto kurban jiyo. I offer myself as a sacrifice to you, remembering your true name all the times I meditate on you continually. The village was in ruins, but you have flourished my barren and ignorant mind with knowledge and repopulated it. I offer myself as a sacrifice to you. हर इच्छै नित्य त्याईदाल मन चिंदी सो फल पाईदाल सब भय काज सवारियन लाहियन मन की भुख जिया. O Vehicle, I meditate on you continually with devotion, and I get fulfillment of all my mind's desires. All my affairs are arranged, and the hunger of my mind is satisfied. मैं छड़िया सब तंदड़ा गोसाई सेवी सचड़ा नौनिध नाम निधान हर मैं पल्ले बद्धा छिक जियो. I have given up all my worldly worries and entanglements, and now I am in the service of true God of the universe. The Naam, the home of the 9 treasures, is now firmly attached to my robe. I have obtained all the happiness and comfort. The Guru has inculcated in me the true meaning of Guru's word. Thus, the true Guru has shown me my husband God. He has placed his hand upon my forehead. मैं बधी सच धर्म साल है गुर सिखा लहदा पालक है पैर तोवा पखा फेरदा तिस निव निव लगा पाए जियो. I have established the holy place of worship, the temple of truth. I sought out the Gursikhs and brought them into this temple. Now I wash their feet and fan them and make my obeisance at their feet, thus serving them with love and devotion. सुन गल्ला गुर पहयाया नाम दान इशनान दिड़ाया सब मुकत होआ से सारड़ा नानक सच्ची बेड़ी चाड़ जियो. Listening about the greatness of God, I have sought refuge at Guru's lotus feet. He instilled within me the name, the Naam, the goodness of charity and true cleansing. All the world is liberated now, O Nanak, by embarking upon the boat of truth. सब शिष्ट सेवे दिन रात जियो दे कन सुनो अरदास जियो ठोक जाए सब डिठिया तुस आपे लयन छड़ाए जियो. The whole universe serves you day and night. O Vaheguru, please hear my prayer. I have thoroughly tested and seen everywhere. You alone, by your pleasure, can save us and be our Savior forever. हुण हुक्म होआ मेहरबान दा पै कोई न किसर जाणदा सब सुखाली उठिया एहो होआ हलेमी राज जियो. Now the kind Master has ordained a command that nobody could oppress others with force. Let no one chase after and attack anyone else. Let all abide in peace under this benevolent rule. चिम चिम अमृत बरसता, बुलाया बोली खसमदार, बहुमान किया तुध ऊपरे, तू आपे पाए थाए जियो. The ambrosial nectar is trickling down softly and gently, drop by drop. I speak the language of Vaheguru as he commands me. I place all my faith in you. Please accept me. तेरियां भगतां भुख सद तेरियां, हर लोचा पूरन मेरियां, देहो दरस सुख दातिया, मैं गल विच लहो मिलाए जियो. Your devotees are forever hungry only for you. O Vaheguru, please fulfill my desires and grant me with the blessed vision of your darshan. O giver of peace, please take me in your embrace. तुद जीवट अवरना पालिया, तू दीप लो पयालिया, तू थान तनंतर रव रहया, नानक भगता सच आधार जियो. O Vaheguru, I have not known anyone else so great as you. Your splendor spreads throughout the universe. O Nanak, the God is omnipresent, being spread around all the worlds, and He is the true support of all saints. होंग साईं दा पहलवानड़ा, मैं गुरमिल उच दुमालड़ा, सब हुई छिंज इकट्ठिया, देव बैठा वेखे आप जियो. I am like a wrestler of Vaheguru, and I perform my functions according to will of God in this world's arena. With the Guru's guidance, I have developed the love of Vaheguru, and I have attained an exalted place in His presence. The whole lot of Guru-minded and self-willed persons gathered together in this arena, while the God watches His creation at play from a distance. वात वचन टमक पेरियां, मल लथे लेंदे फेरियां, निहत्ते पंज जुआन में, गुर थापी दित्ती कंड जियो. Like in the wrestling arena, musicians play on various instruments like drums, while the wrestlers move in circles, showing their muscles and trying their tricks against the competitors. I have also overpowered with the Guru's grace all the 5 vices of lust, avarice, anger, ego, and worldly love in this worldly arena, and Guru has congratulated me for this success. सब इकट्ठे हुए आया, कर जासन वाट वटाया, गुरमुख लाहा ले गए, मनमुख चले मूल गवाई जियो. All have gathered together, but we shall return home by different routes. The Gurmukhs reap their profits and leave this world, while the self-will Manmukhs lose their investment and depart empty-handed. तू वरना जीना बाहरा, हर दिसे हाजर ज़ाहरा। सुन सुन तुझे ध्याएंदे, तेरे भगत रत्ते गुणदास जियो। You are beyond any color or mark. The God is seen to be manifested and present everywhere, hearing of your glories again and again. Your devotees meditate on you and they remain attuned to you, O Vaheguru, the treasure of excellence and virtues. मैं जुग जुग दिया सेवड़ी, गुर कट्टी मेहंदी जेवड़ी। हूँ बाहड़ छिंज ना नचू, नानक अवसर लद्दा पाल जियो। Age after age, I am in service of the merciful God, and the Guru has cut away all my bonds. O Nanak, I would not like to enter this world's arena again, as with the Guru's guidance I have realized your greatness and merged with you through lot of efforts.